Hi, I'm Dr. Joseph Dupont. I'm a former dentist, a former podiatrist, and a fan of implantology. And I heard about Speaking Empire first time. I was at a GKIC event and I heard Dave Van Nuys speaking there, and I found he was just amazing. So I did enroll a few months later to the summit, to the Speaking Empire Summit in California, and it was like a 4-day event, absolutely wonderful. So I made the decision to do all the courses with Speaking Empire, and my experience today from the 3-day that we just had is I never had such a quality program ever in my life. The university, I did go to the university in different countries, Canada, US, Europe, and I never found such a dedication and such a quality. So if you have a message that you want to bring across the word and you want to change the word, you want to give a legacy, consider being putting Speaking Empire as part of your developing program, so when you get on stage you'll be the best of the best. So I'm really proud to be part of this organization, and I wish that you will make that decision to bring your legacy to the world.